Okay, good day guys. Today we're going to test the quick shot of Mavic Mini. Okay, we are here now in Tarlac, Kapas Tarlac. We have great weather today, so we have a chance to test this bad boy. Quick shot. Just first launch this bad boy to the air. There.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Home point. So first quick shot. Okay. So we're going to test first the drone. Okay. 100 feet. First, you just choose which quick shot you're going to use, and then you set the height, and you're good to go. Okay, so start. And don't forget to select your target. You can click those plus sign, or you can draw a square of your target, and then you just hit the start button. Quick shot, brownie. There we go. So as you can see, it's over there. Okay, and then it will come back. Okay, next the rocket. Okay, we set the first the height, and let's see.
With this countdown, you still have time to hide your remote control from the camera, so it will not show on your videos, so you will have a more professional footage. Even though this Mavic Mini don't have active track, it's still worth every penny. Especially with this quick shot, with these presets, it's awesome. It's really cool.
So there you are.
Even though you don't have any background flying a drone,
So here you go.
I'm 100% sure that your footage will look professional.
Okay, so we did come back. Now test the next one. We test the circle. Okay, what it does is it's going to circle.
You can see that yellow arrow. Well, you have a choice which direction the drone will go. If it's clockwise or counterclockwise.
Okay, then start.
Just hit that arrow and the drone will go to that direction that you choose.
Start to orbit us like that. It will start to orbit us like that. Okay.
Video na video ka lang. Ay, tingnan dia, tiyahain na. Video na video ka lang na kunain. Ay, tingnan dia, tiyahain na. Circle lang. Ito sinabi ng mabilog doon.
Alright, so that is the okay, that is the circle. Then the last one is and the last one is
Tingnan ito, pabilog ba ka na lang?
the helix. Okay. Then the last one is
Pabilog ba ka na lang?
the helix. Okay. We set the helix. We set 120 feet. And then let's check the subject. And there you are.
2, 1.
There you are. What this does is it slowly circle you while ascending. So there you are.
While the Mavic Mini doing the quick shot, you still have full control with the camera. You can pan it upward or downward.
And it will come back to its original position.
Alam mo kayo talaga mabilog yun eh.
There you are.
Balik ka lang gini. Papung tayo kita. Away ya. Hindi lang ako wag yun
Slowly
napitalan
come. So that is the 4 quick shot of Mavic Mini. It's quite cool, you know, especially if you are alone during your vacation. You're going to have a personal videographer, you know, with its cool quick shots. So